Have you ever chopped an onion and felt a strange tingling in your eyes? Suddenly tears start streaming down your face. You're not sad, but you are crying. This is a common experience in kitchens around the world. Why do these humble vegetables have such a powerful effect on us? The answer lies in the fascinating world of chemistry. Onions, like all living things, have defenses. These defenses are not claws or teeth, but chemicals. When an onion is cut, it releases these chemicals into the air. These chemicals, specifically amino acid sulfoxides, are the reason for our tears. This reaction is not unique to humans. Even cats and dogs can be affected by onions' tear-inducing properties. The science behind this phenomenon is quite simple yet intriguing. Let's delve deeper into the chemical warfare waged by these culinary staples. Onions belong to the allium family, which also includes garlic, chives, and leeks. These plants are known for their pungent aromas and flavors, attributes that come from the sulfur-containing compounds within them. These compounds are not meant to torture cooks, but rather to protect the plant from pests and animals. When an onion is intact, these sulfur compounds are safely stored within its cells. However, slicing, dicing, or crushing an onion ruptures these cells, releasing the chemical weapons within. Imagine the onion as a fortress, and cutting into it is like breaching its walls. The onion, under attack, deploys its defenses, a volatile cocktail of enzymes and amino acid sulfoxides. These compounds, now exposed to the air, undergo a series of chemical reactions. The onion's own enzymes, like cunning little chemists, transform the harmless precursors into a more potent weapon, a sulfur-containing gas. The process begins when allinase, an enzyme present in the onion, comes into contact with the amino acid sulfoxides. Think of allinase as the key that unlocks the tear-inducing potential of these compounds. This interaction produces sulfenic acids, which are unstable and quickly rearrange themselves. These sulfenic acids then undergo a spontaneous reaction, transforming into a volatile gas called syn-propanethyl S-oxide. This gas, lighter than air, wafts upwards, targeting our unsuspecting eyes. When syn-propanethyl S-oxide reaches our eyes, it irritates the cornea, the transparent outer layer of the eye. Our bodies, perceiving this irritation as a threat, activate their natural defense mechanism, tears. Tears are the body's way of flushing out irritants, protecting our sensitive eyes. So in essence, the tears we shed while chopping onions are not a sign of sadness, but rather a testament to the onion's powerful chemical defenses. Section 4. Outsmarting the onion, tips and tricks for tear-free chopping. Now that we understand the enemy, we can devise strategies to conquer it. Chefs and home cooks alike have developed numerous techniques to minimize tears while preparing onions. One popular method is chilling the onion before cutting it. Cold temperatures slow down the chemical reactions, reducing the amount of irritant gas released. Another effective technique is cutting the onion under running water. The water helps to dissolve and wash away the irritating gas before it reaches your eyes. Some cooks even resort to wearing goggles or cutting onions near a fan to blow the gas away from their faces. While these methods can be helpful, they don't completely eliminate the problem. The key is to work quickly and efficiently, minimizing the onion's exposure to air. Remember, the less time the onion has to release its chemical weapons, the less likely you are to cry. Section 5. Beyond the tears, the science of flavor and aroma. The same sulfur compounds that cause us to tear up are also responsible for the onion's unique flavor and aroma. When these compounds react with heat during cooking, they break down and reform into new molecules, creating a complex tapestry of flavors. This is why cooked onions taste sweeter and less pungent than raw onions. The flavor profile of an onion can vary depending on its variety, growing conditions, and how it is prepared. Sweet onions, for example, have a higher sugar content and milder flavor, while red onions are known for their sharp, pungent bite. Understanding the science behind onions' flavor can help you to choose the right type of onion for your dish and cook it to perfection. So, the next time you find yourself reaching for a tissue while chopping onions, remember that those tears are a testament to the complex and fascinating chemistry happening right there on your cutting board. Section 6. In conclusion, embracing the onion's complexity. The humble onion, a staple in kitchens worldwide, is more than just a culinary ingredient. It is a testament to the power of chemistry, a reminder that even the simplest things can hold hidden complexities. The tears we shed while chopping onions are not a sign of weakness, but a tribute to the onion's ingenious defense mechanisms. So the next time you find yourself face to face with a pungent onion, embrace the challenge. Arm yourself with knowledge, a sharp knife, and perhaps a few tissues. Remember the science behind the tears, and appreciate the onion for the complex and flavorful ingredient it truly is. After all, a little bit of chemistry in the kitchen never hurt anyone.